What's up, guys? How are we doing? What's up, Instagram? What is going on, Facebook? Dr. Vince here. Hey, hope you guys are having an awesome Wednesday, and I'm back for more. This is day 10 of our 12 ways to bulletproof our practice in 2019. Just going to push this back just a smidge, and by the way, you can get the full training at chiropracticconsulting.co, and that's the 12 ways to bulletproof your practice. Check that out. It's a 30-minute high-value training, and I highly recommend that you check that out. So, hey, hope you guys are off to a good 2019 and that you are busy and helping lots of people and having fun doing it. So, let's quickly review what we covered leading up to this point. So day one was creating a target goal and then the stats that we need to track to get there. Day two was creating a unifying message, or what's called a USP, unique selling proposition for your practice. What makes you unique? And then putting that in a little phrase, 3 words is ideal. Day three, we assessed our marketing campaigns from 2018. What was effective, what was not, what was the return on investment of all the stuff that we did. And then we wanted to pull the stuff that did do well, dump the stuff that didn't. And then in day 4, we talked about creating a marketing calendar, put everything up there that worked in 2018. And then we look at our goals and say, hey, based on everything that we did, does that look like it's going to get us to our goals? And most likely it won't, because we're trying to grow, right? We're trying to do more than we did last year. And then day 5, we talked about, okay, what campaigns, internal, external, online, offline, low cost, no cost, high cost, what marketing campaigns do we want to now install into 2019? And then really focusing on the first quarter of 2019, get super specific there and kind of broad strokes the rest of the year. And then we can get more specific as we move along. Then day 6, we talked about pricing structure. Inflation's going up 3% every year, and if you haven't raised your prices in a while, like 3 or 4 or 5 years, then there's room, right? There's room for you to increase your fees, and so you can just give yourself an immediate raise, and that has an immediate impact on the bottom line. And the time to do that is now in January. So next, we talked about creating a downloadable report for your practice. And this is more long tail marketing. And when I say long tail, what I mean by that is that it will continue to have a positive and beneficial effect on your practice for the foreseeable future. Because what happens is, for instance, say you're running Facebook ads. I mean, as soon as you turn that Facebook ad off, it's done, right? But if you create this report for your practice, and so what are some examples of this? It's like, how to choose a chiropractor that's right for you, or 3 things to look out for when choosing a chiropractor, or how to solve your neuropathy pain without drugs and the harmful side effects. Something like that, right? Just 4 to 6 pages. Doesn't have to be, some thick book or anything. You just want to deliver a lot of value. You want to explain what people are searching for. So that's why if it's condition specific, that's really good. Like if you could do one for sciatica or disc problems or carpal tunnel or headaches, the more specific, the better, right? Because people are searching for specific information. What you're going to do is you're identifying, hey, this is the condition, these are the signs and symptoms, common treatments, and then this is what we do and why we're different. So long tail is like people are going to download that, and even though they may not be ready right now, they'll be ready at some point, and then they will, hey, this guy educated me. He obviously seems to know what he's doing. I'm going to give him a call. Again, full training at chiropracticconsulting.co. You can check that out. And that's a full 30-minute training, 12 ways to bulletproof your practice. So number 8, we talked about really focusing on building your email list, because this will be an asset moving forward in your future. And then day 9, we talked about, hey, what other products that can you sell, right? So there's 3 ways to build a practice, or 3 ways to increase revenue. Increase your new patients, increase the the frequency of purchases or increase what you sell to your existing patients or clients. So new patients is the most expensive of the three. So if we can sell people more, like our existing patients, more of what they already need, then we're doing them a service, right? Because it's high quality stuff and they don't have to go to Amazon or Walmart or Target to try to search for the perfect pillow or rehab equipment, all that type of stuff, supplements, all that type of stuff. We know more about it than they do. And so if we can provide a high quality product, we should sell it to them. And it increases revenue. And so then, so that was yesterday, I did that 2 days ago, but that was day 9. And then today is a really cool topic that I love called creating a patient maintenance system. And I like to call it a VIP health maintenance program. And what is this? So some of you guys may be calling this a wellness plan, right? And who knows what the hell wellness means? I don't, hey, it's feeling good. Is that what it is? Is it feeling good? Is it lack of pain? Is it, what I'm saying? Like if we're not 100% sure about it, how can the population in general be really clear on it? And a confused mind will not buy. And so what we do typically is say, hey, come in once a month for the rest of your life and we're going to keep you healthy. Well, that is a little daunting. So point being is that's why I really like what's called the VIP health maintenance plan. Now, first of all, why do I call it that? The reason why is because in every kind of audience, right, either a patient population or a group of buyers, there is a segment, about 15 to 20%, that want an elevated experience, right? They want the best. Like I went to a Tony Robbins event last year and I didn't buy it, but there is a VIP option for, the tickets were $1,000, then the VIP option was $3,000. Then you're sit close to the stage, you get to see Tony afterwards, have dinner and drinks and blah, blah, blah. And so that's the VIP experience. So we want to do that for our patient base, right? And what we want to do is create a package so that every month they get these products and services. And so what's an example of what could be in your VIP patient or health maintenance plan? An adjustment, a massage, could have email access to you. You could have a multivitamin. You could have, you could do a teleseminar. You could have a newsletter. You could have, certain office hours or early office hours, whatever. Just, this is something that you just need to put some time and effort into. And guys, then you offer it on their last visit, right? So on their exit exam, when they get done with care with you, then you say, hey, I'm so glad you did so great, Mrs. Jones. I want to tell you about a really cool plan we have called the VIP Health Maintenance Plan. And what this is designed to do is to keep you feeling like you feel right now, right? Because when you got here, your pain was like a 7 out of 10. You could barely walk the dog, couldn't play golf with your husband, and now you're doing all those things. So I don't want you to slip back. This is a really cool plan. You get all these things, and then you want to have it laid out, printed out nicely, put it in a folder. Get a leather folder at Office Max or Staples or whatever whatever the place, and present it nicely. And then it's going to be $97 a month or $197, whatever seems to make sense for your area and what you're going to include. And then you offer it to them. You don't sell it to them. You don't hammer it you just offer it, because some people are going to say yes. And what's the beauty of this is, say you added 5 people a month, just 5 people a month. Okay. And say your price point was $149. So over the course of a year, so that would be, you'd add 60 people to your VIP health maintenance program. You'd add 60 people times 149 is somewhere in the neighborhood of $8,000, right? Well, then over the course of 5 years, now you have a recurring revenue of $40,000 every single month. People are just, because they give you their credit card, right? And you just, every single month, it's that credit card is debited every single month, and it's going into your bank account. And so that's like $40,000 every single month. And these are the patients that you love to treat, right? They don't, they're not in an acute situation. They are happy to see you. They love the office, blah, blah, blah. And, I mean, what better practice would that be? So this is called creating a continuity program. And if you look at Amazon or Netflix or Microsoft, they're all doing this because it creates a predictable income stream every single month. So, and what we want to do is, as doctors, is, hey, just let's take these ideas that work at all these other companies and all the different industries and just apply it to our own, because people already know, like, and trust us. We have to just start being smarter about what we offer them. So, so that is day 10 of the 12 ways to bulletproof your practice in 2019. If you want the full training, go ahead and visit chiropracticconsulting.co, and you'll get the 1 through 12 goes through it all in depth, and there's PowerPoint and all this good stuff. So go check that out, and then cost you a name and an email. But like I said, this information. I mean, this is perfect for your practice. I mean, if you're trying to build your practice, if you're trying to kind of make it so that it's going to be long-term, you're going to be able to compete in a crowded marketplace. We don't want to be just another chiropractor, right? Like in football, they're called Jags, just another guy. We want to be, we want to be special. We want to be unique. We want to differentiate ourselves. And these tactics and strategies will help do that for you. So, hey, hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm Dr. Vince. Go ahead and check that out at chiropracticconsulting.co, and I'll see you tomorrow for strategy number 11 in terms of bulletproofing your practice for 2019. Thanks so much for tuning in. Love you guys. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.